In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about adding a product in Booqable. On the inventory page, click Add Product. Now name your product. You can make different variations of this product later for things like different colors or sizes. You can also make individual barcoded stock items of this product as well. So think of this product name as the model or type, like Vintage Oak Wedding Dining Table, for example. This will bring up the automated images that Booqable has connected through Google Images. You can browse through them, pin the ones that you like, or click the X to upload your own later. Now for the product type. Sale items in Booqable are those that you wish to sell to customers that you don't receive back. If you have an infinite amount of these, you can choose not to track by clicking Unlimited Quantity. If you wish to keep a stock of them to avoid selling items when the stock has run out, you can choose Track Quantities. And you can create your stock quantity in the next page. Now for another product type, service items. Service items are non-physical products like delivery, cleaning, or installation that will be added to the online shopping cart for customers to add on to their order. And finally, for rental products. Rental products are items that customers can pick up and return to your store. If you only want to track the number of items that you have without attaching stock items to each and every one, you can choose Track Quantities. For adding barcodes or stock identifiers to each physical item that you have of this product, choose Track Individual Items, which is what I'm going to do today. Now for the pricing. If you wish to charge a flat fee for this product that doesn't change and add the rate and the period that you would like to charge, you can do so here. For example, $50 a day. You can choose between charging by the hour, the day, the week, or the month. If you have another structure or fee in mind, click Other, and you can create that in the next step. Now finally, you can enable variations. If this product is stocked in different sizes, colors, or options, you can click Enable Variations and create those subproducts in the next step. Now we can hit Save. Now if you have enabled variations, this will be the first page to appear. You can start by adding the property or how this product is separated in, such as size. Now you can add in your variations. For me, this is large and small. Click the Add Variation button to add in all the variations that you have, and click the pencil icon to fill them out. You can add in your different images in the next page for settings, and you can also edit the price. You can use the pencil icon to add this price as a little bit cheaper, if you like, for a different variation, or vice versa with more expensive for the larger variation. Now it's time to add the stock that you have for each item by clicking the Inventory Panel button. Hit Add Stock, and if you have different locations, select the correct one where the stock you are about to add is stored for pickup and return. For me, this is in Brooklyn. Now you can add the variation. For example, I'm going to be adding stock of the small item today, and add in the quantity that you have. Now for advanced settings. In the Available From box, you can choose the date from which these items will be available in your inventory. This is great if you have already purchased more stock for future orders. In Available Till, you can add in the end date. This is for temporarily available stock. If it is available straight away, you can skip Available From, and if it is available forever in your stock, you can skip this step as well. Now you can choose the identifier format. Booqable has automatically generated how the stock identifier codes will start, and they will end with the number, for example, but you can edit this as well. Now you click Add 3 stock items, and those will be added to your inventory panel. To remove the stock, you can click the Archive button at the end of the row, which decommissions the stock item. This is the trash can icon here. When you create a trackable stock item, Booqable automatically generates these random identifiers for your stock items, as you saw in the last step. You can easily track their location, history, and utilization through these stock items. If you need something different other than the auto-generated IDs, you can change them by clicking the pencil icon here. You can also edit the location of this stock item as well. Now, if you want to skip sifting through these codes when adding items to an order, you can create scannable barcodes instead. Click the barcode button, and if you need Booqable to generate your new barcodes for you, select a barcode type. QR code is a popular one, and leave this blank so Booqable can automatically generate a new barcode for you. As you can see, this is the new barcode code and the QR code here that you can print out, label your products, and use the Booqable free app to scan them. If you already have a pre-purchased roll of barcodes and want to import them in, select the barcode type and type in the barcode number that you have here. This will import the barcodes into Booqable, and you can still use the free app to scan them on and off an order. You can speed up this process by including your barcodes in a product import, which you can conduct on the inventory page for all of your product information, and you can follow the instructions for this in our Help Center. Now, if you have selected track quantities as your tracking method when you have selected a rental product, the inventory page will look different. It will look as it appears here. You will have the locations listed and each of the variations of the product listed underneath the locations, the type of product, when it is available from, how many in total are stored at your store permanently, how many are currently out on an order, and how many are in stock and not out on an order in your store. You can add this stock by following the same process by clicking the blue Add Stock button, or you can just easily adjust it through the plus and minus buttons, adding or removing the stock for each variation. So for example, at the Brooklyn, New York address, for the dining cutlery set in silver, I have 11 available in store at the moment, 1 out on an order, and 12 in total that are stored at the location. You have successfully now gone through the tutorial on how to add a product, choose the correct tracking type, enable variations, and add your stock. For tutorials on the rest of the product panels, such as product pricing, product settings, and how your product can work in the online store, click on the individual pages to bring up their tutorial videos.